Hi, my sweet Lalix. Oh, I've missed you so much. I know how much you enjoy making doll houses. Today, I'm creating an awesome new home for two families. A fiery one, hey there, and a frosty one. Hi, everyone. This house will be icy. No way, it'll be blazing. Icy, icy. Nope, I said fire. Awesome.
What?
Hey, what did you do? Yay, an ice house. How wonderful. Oh, so refreshing. Cool, we can play in the snow right at home. Total winter vibes. Whee, ice cream, yum yum. Ew, that's fur, yuck. Hey, you're a doll. All right, you win, I'll try again. Not the better. Oops. Oh, and you can chill here too. Wow, I'm sliding. LaLiLu, make a proper bed. And ice cream. What if we combine them? I love light clay. It's so soft and stretchy. Tap like while I knead it. Done. Now I'm shaping the cone. I'm carving little grooves with a tool. Yep, crisscross. A scoop on top. Covering it with light clay. Looks like real ice cream. Pressing snowflake patterns. Pop into sweet sprinkles. Final touch, a cherry. This will be the bed base. Use my ice cream too.
Yeah, okay.
Raspberry, lemon, we need pistachio. There it is. Honey, the ceiling is leaking. Oh no, is that ice? Ew, it's so cold and wet. Don't panic, just a little fire. Ooh, thanks. Fun! A tiny spark, and everything's blazing again. Great, so warm and cozy. Ooh, beautiful. A fireplace will make it even better. Oh yes, that's heat. Let's add a shelf for groceries. A fire extinguisher and fuel. A hot house needs them. Hop, some light clay. I'm shaping a spicy pepper. Done! Making a little groove with a tool and snip snip. Attaching the stem and trimming the extra. A super decoration for the family photo. Aw, that's adorable, thank you. Here's a couch for you.
Nice! Looks comfy.
Oh, yeah.
Play, sweetie.
She doesn't want to play. Millie wants to burn. Oops, the couch wasn't fireproof.
Oh!
Is our daughter a dragon? I'll make the whole room delicious. Cutting out drips of ice cream and sticking them on the walls. Vanilla. Ooh, it's so cool. Oh, we need photos here. My icy crush. Perfect, all my crushes are here. Do you have a crush? Tell me in the comments, I won't tell anyone. Hit like if you love my ice cream room. It's all thanks to LaLiLu. Everything looks pretty and tasty. I'm in an icy paradise. Snowballs, love them. Whee! Catching it. No! I want to decorate my room. Your wish is my command. Ooh, now that's a total vibe. Wow, what's inside? Something for a makeover. I want to see. Hurry, hurry. LaLiLu, please. Hit like so the suitcase pops open. What are we waiting for? LaLiLu, you tap it too. Okay. Let's open it. Oh, a cheerleader video. Awesome. Like. Look, it opened. Yay, is that light clay? Are we sculpting? Hold on. What? We won't need clay. Oh, my pendant. Let's try it on. It suits you even better. So, what are we crafting with? Didn't I say? Oh, with half a heart. And we'll shape it from this. It's gonna be a real volcano! I'm forming the crater and a little ledge. Now let's pour in the lava. Wow, look how gorgeous! I'm brushing on thinner lava streams. blazing bright. Oh, wow, a ruby rain. Ooh, perfect for decoration.
Wow! Incredible! The lava feels so warm and cozy. I can't wait to splash in my new tub. How's the water?
Just the way a fire family likes it, sizzling hot.
Ooh, so nice.
Subscribe if you love to warm up too. Tell me in the comments what you think about our fiery spa. And this is for total relaxation. The best day of my life. Hey, what are you making? Wow, is that a pool? Can I try? Oh, phew, that's hot. Oh, and who's that? Is that Alex and Tony? Oh my, such cute boys.
Why are you standing there? Jump in with me.
Hooray!
Tell me, isn't it awesome?
Yes. Who said different elements can't hang out together? The girls are relaxing, but what about the parents?
LaLiLu, we want a makeover too. It's so empty in here.
Okie dokie, let's begin. Icy, wicey, lalacadabra. Adding glue to the wall. Nice and easy. And press it on. Write in the comments what you think about this hack and the Frosty theme. Perfect. Cool and super stylish.
And you know what else is stylish? Roomy.
Me too. I want to help.
Wow, Rue, you're a little magician. Let's take a chilly ride.
Woohoo! Sweetie, where are you going? Check this out.
Oh my, Ginu, that's beautiful.
Want to race on snow sacks like when we were kids?
Woohoo! Let's go.
Let's make it a contest.
Victory is mine.
We'll see about that.
LaLiLu, I wish we had even more snow.
Do you know you can make it snow at home? Here's a life hack. You'll need this magical powder. Add water. And wow! Fluffy and not cold at all. You can build a snowman even in summer. Okay, this will be the head.
Daddy, he needs a carrot. Pop.
Great job, Rue. We've got a new friend.
He's such a cutie. Let's name him Steve.
Let's give him a scarf. There we go, so he won't feel chilly. And a cool hat.
Wow! Hey, can you lower the camera? I'm making my own snow buddy too. Ooh, he's my size. Wanna be friends? Your name will be Phil.
Aw, you're all so adorable, my little icicles.
Now that's a whole snowman family.
So cute. They're just like us.
Hey, what's going on?
It's not warm enough.
Let's add a little spark. Maybe the curtains will help? Sticking on foam flames.
I'm still chilly.
Then we'll make you a fireplace. I need a heart-shaped box. Now a light. This one will work. A red glow. I prepped some fiery tulle. Spreading it inside. Decorating the bottom with a heart gem. Building a stand out of tiny wood pieces. Laying glowing crystal embers. Lining the edges with crepe tape. This fireplace will warm any cold day.
Awesome, so toasty.
Warming your feet by the fire feels amazing. Comment, I love Room Roomy if you liked it too. Looks like Roomy is hungry. Perfect time to toast marshmallows. The marshmallow browned so fast.
Yum, oh, it's so good.
What smells so yummy? Is that marshmallow?
Help yourselves, girls.
Thank you.
Want to step out on the balcony?
Yes, let's go.
Oops, looks like we forgot about it. Time for the fourth element, Earth. Planting lots of greens.
Awesome.
The flowers smell so sweet.
Incredible.
Let's put on a concert.
But we don't have a stage. That's easy to fix. I'm adding glue to a sturdy base I found nearby. Decorating it with flowers. Easy peasy, the stage is ready.
I want to add some fire.
Perfect, let's finish the decor. Gluing soft pom-poms to the cardboard. I'll add a fluffy cloud. Looks wonderful.
And I brought in a sea wave.
The stage united all 4 elements. Time to start the show.
I'll fix this fire, I'll make it glow. Turn the embers into gold.
Mom, Dad, I'm joining you.
Rebuild the flame. Say your name, say your name. Oh.
I'm so proud of my dolls. The Rock family is having the time of their lives. Oh, someone's meowing. There's a kitty! Hey, where are you going? Come here! What happened?
Huh?
Derpy got scared by the loud music. Honey, look, there's a kitty.
Where? What? Oh, poor thing, come here. Just look at this fluffy cutie.
He's so cute. Oh, such a sweetheart. Looks like he's planning something. Oh no, Derpy! Furniture is not a toy.
So much for being cute.
Lolly, help us. We'll carefully cut a hole right here. Perfect. Now I need hot glue. Apply it to the stand, then start putting the parts together. Done! We wrap the spiral piece with yarn. This is amazing. Thank you, LaLiLu.
I live in this myself.
The kitty can't wait to try the new fun. Derpy is thrilled with his new house. You're so adorable. Poor thing. The fluffy one got tired and fell asleep. So cute. Now I want to get into the house too. Oh, the perfect spot for me. Oof. Oh, that was... I guess I'm not a kitty after all. I'll go check on Roxy. Hi, bestie. What are you doing? Whoa, you have so many outfits. But I have nowhere to hang them all. LaLiLu, we need help. Say no more. I have an idea, and I couldn't not try it. Place a pencil on a sharpener. It'll be up here. This cute kitty will totally appeal to Roxy. Coat it with clear glue. You need to work with it carefully. Wow! Now it's a real flying cat. An original hanger is ready. Next, I need a 3D pen. Roxy loves purple. Insert the cartridge. Using a base, I shaped the hangers. They turned out super comfy. Dress the dolls and hang their outfits. You can't buy this in a store. Exclusive from LaLiLu. Now all the clothes are in one place. Oh, wow, that's so cool.
Oh my.
I want to try something on. The sundress will suit you. Wow, thank you. It's adorable. And what do you think of my look?
Huh?
Slay queen. You girls are such fashionistas. Let's have a photo shoot in different outfits. My dolls are so photogenic. I've got an idea. What? We need makeup. Oh, what are we waiting for? No worries. I actually wanted to add glitter. Who said you can't put pom-poms into slime? I mix everything really well. Wow, it's perfect! Transfer the slime into a jar. LaLiLu, made with love and glue. Wow, just look at this.
Woohoo!
Want me to do your makeup? Sure, let's do it. Use a brush. Done. Wow, thank you. So did I do well? You did great. I want to see it already. This is incredible. I tried my best. Now it's my turn. Close your eyes. Okay. I'll use the beauty blender. Done. Write in the comments if the makeup turned out pretty. We look so beautiful, bestie.